Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many people encounter when working with numpy arrays, understanding the difference between and 0. This issue often arises when trying to iterate over arrays using certain numpy functions. Let's dive into the solution and shed some light on this tricky concept. In the provided solution, we learned that a zero-dimensional array in numpy always has a single element, such as in the example where we created an array with just the number 42. This zero-dimensional array is represented as array 42. It's like having a tiny array with one item inside. Going further, we discovered that a zero-dimensional array has a shape of, as shown by the output of array.shape. This empty set of parentheses signifies the zero-dimensional nature of the array. Moreover, we explored how indexing into a zero-dimensional array using allows us to extract the single element it contains, like when we access the value 42 from our array. Continuing with our exploration, we delve into the creation of a one-dimensional array with 0 elements. This may seem counterintuitive, but numpy allows for arrays with varying numbers of elements, including none. The shape of this array is 0. Finally, we wrapped up our investigation by summarizing the differences between zero-dimensional and one-dimensional arrays in numpy. Understanding these nuances can help you navigate numpy functions more effectively and avoid pitfalls when working with arrays. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope this exploration into numpy arrays and dimensions has been illuminating for you. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with your favorite numpy function. Catch you next time.